Good Monday, everybody. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. What we're going to talk about today is there's going to be a nice big sharp cold air outbreak moving in tonight through tomorrow. It's going to cause a nice lake effect outbreak starting today and some bitterly cold temperatures as we get to Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, you can see some snow squalls make it to our area and snow showers tomorrow evening. And then finally, that storm I was talking about, potentially speculation for end of this week, that will not materialize. I'll explain why. And then I'll just give a quick note on when we could see more region-wide snowfall. But let's get into it. This is the big old cold outbreak coming in tonight through tomorrow. Bitterly cold air moves in, coldest air of the season. These are anomalies off of normal. And as this cold air comes in, it's really going to get bitterly cold. So this is as we get to Wednesday morning. Tuesday will get very cold, but Wednesday morning, you're really going to feel it. This is temperatures, and you can see what it's actually going to feel like on Wednesday morning. And then as we get to Wednesday afternoon, it's not going to feel much more than below freezing. So you can see real feels in the 20s, et cetera, for many areas. Now, when this Arctic front comes in on Tuesday, a couple things. One, you're going to see this nice lake effect outbreak that's really going to get going, okay, as we get into tonight, tomorrow morning. You're going to see a lot of snow pile up in those areas. And then after as the front really starts to progress southeastward, you can see some of these snow squalls tomorrow night make it closer to the coast. So, for example, areas, maybe in this area like here, you could see some of these streamers make it close, and that could mean a snow shower, maybe even a localized snow squall. So tomorrow evening, keep an eye out, guys. You might see a nice burst of snow somewhere in this region, something definitely worth keeping an eye on. Moving on here, I was talking about last week and how we potentially could see something develop at the end of this week, and that's just not going to happen. And I'll explain why. So this is looking at our cold air outbreak here departing. And the reason why you're not going to see a winter storm develop in its wake is you have all this energy coming in the Pacific, which is pumping up warm air. So no amplification, which means the cold air comes, it goes, and then you're actually going to see a nice little warm up in its wake for the first week of December. Following that, pure speculation, not going to talk about it much. Maybe the weekend of the 10th, 11th, something can amplify near the East Coast, but again, it's not worth talking about this time. Really, second half of December, based on how I analoged this winter or how I projected this winter, I think we could really get going for most areas. Anything before is a bonus. Thanks for checking.